안녕하세요. 반갑습니다. Hey everybody. So today we're going to be learning how to speak in Korean on shopping. Okay, shopping, yes. So the first word is store, and store is kage. Kage. Kage means store in Korean. Kage. Okay. All right. Let's move on. Department store or the mall. Uh, in Korean we call it 백화점. 백화점, 백화점, 백화점. Okay? 백화점. Department store or the mall. All right? Next up, clerk. Clerk is 점원, 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 점원. Clerk. Okay, next one. The customer. 손님, 손님. Customer. 손님. Okay. Next. Cash. Cash is 현금. 현금. Cash, 현금. Okay, and next up is credit card. And credit card is called 신용카드. 신용카드. So yes, 신용 means credit, and card is 카드. So 신용카드, 신용카드, 신용카드. Okay. Next one, discount, discount, 할인, 할인. Well, if you go to department store or any malls or supermarket in Korea and you ask for, can I get a discount? Discount 해줄 수 있어요? They'll understand discount, but the correct translation for discount in Korean is 할인. So if you say 할인, please 할인 좀 해주세요. Yeah, they know. Yeah, 할인 please. they would understand. But if you say discount, if you cannot remember 할인, discount, they would understand as well. Okay? So 할인, 할인. Okay. Next one, event, 행사. Event is 행사. Okay, 행사 is event. Okay, and next, receipt. Receipt is 영수증. 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 Please give me 영수증. 영수증 좀 주세요. 영수증. Receipt. Okay. Next, tax. 세금. 세금. Okay. 세금 is tax. Free is 무료. 무료. 무료 is free. Okay, so let's wrap up. So first of all, we did 가게, which is store, and 백화점, department store, 점원, clerk, 손님, customer, 현금, cash, 신용카드, credit card, 할인, discount, 행사, event, 영수증, receipt, 세금, tax, 무료 is free. Alright, let's move on. Okay, and parking lot, at the shopping mall is 주차장, 주차장. Parking lot is 주차장. Okay. So did you park the car? So 자동차 주차했어? 주차 is park. So yes, parking lot, 주차장. Fitting room, 탈의실, 탈의실. So if you pronounce it a little fast, 탈의실, 탈의실, 탈의실. Okay. Fitting room. Next one, the counter, 계산대. 계산대 어디 있어요? So where's the counter? Yes, 계산대 어디 있어요? Counter, where's the counter? 계산대, 계산대. Okay, next one. The service center, customer service center is 고객. 고객 is customer. So 고객 center, the service center. Okay. So Let's review those four. Just four of them. 주차장, which is the parking lot. 탈의실, the fitting room. 계산대, the counter. And 고객센터, the customer service center. Okay? Wonderful. Now, some action. Verbs. Order. 주문. 주문. 주문 is order. Cart. 장바구니. 장바구니. Also, if you say cart, 카트 in Korean, they will understand. Cart or 카트, but 장바구니 is more accurate translation. Next one, payment. Payment. 결제. 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 Okay, payment. Coupon is coupon. Coupon is coupon. Okay. Same word, just in the Korean way is coupon. Next one, cost is 가격. 가격. 가격 is cost. Okay. Delivery, 배송. 배송. Okay, 배송 is delivery. And courier, 택배. 택배 is courier. 택배. Okay. Next one, returning goods is 반품. 반품. 반품 is returning goods. Next one, refundment, refunding. 환불. 환불. Refundment is 환불, refund. Okay. Next one, exchange is 교환. 교환. Exchange. 교환. Review of an item, review of the product. 후기. 후기 is review. Okay, let us review. 주문, order. 장바구니, cart. 결제, payment. 쿠폰, coupon. 가격, cost. 배송, delivery. 택배, courier. 반품, returning goods. 환불, refundment. 교환, exchange. 후기 is review. Okay, so we're on the last set. Okay, a few more. To buy something, to buy means is 사다. 사다. Okay, to buy, 사다. To sell, 팔다. So 사다, 팔다. To buy, to sell, 사다, 팔다, 팔다. Okay. To be cheap is cheap, 싸다. 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 Cheap, 싸다. Now expensive, 비싸다. 비싸다. So be careful. 싸다 and expensive is 비싸다. So B needs to be before 싸. 싸다. So 비싸다. Okay. Okay, very good. Now let's wrap up those four. 사다, to buy. 팔다, to sell. 싸다, to cheap. 비싸다, expensive. Okay, so be careful, be aware of the single S or the double S. 사다, 싸다, 비싸다. Okay, it's a stronger S sound. Okay, perfect. Great job. Okay, Now you can go shopping at Myeongdong in Korea, which is like a very famous shopping street. So if you do have happen to have a chance to come to Korea, Myeongdong is the place to go to get some bargains, to get some good deals. Okay. All right. You have a nice day, and we'll see you in next lesson. Okay. 감사합니다. 수고하셨습니다.